Imagine this, you've just finished a delicious meal at your favorite restaurant, paid with Grabpay, and saved a few bucks. But what if you need that cash right away? Can you actually withdraw money from Grabpay? Today, we're diving into that question and exploring the ins and outs of Grabpay withdrawals. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Grabpay is. It's a digital wallet that you can use to pay for a variety of things, from food and rides to bills and online shopping. It's a convenient way to manage your finances, especially if you're always on the go. Can we withdraw money from Grabpay? The short answer is, it depends. While Grabpay doesn't offer direct cash withdrawals like a traditional bank, there are a few ways to access your funds. Grabpay Card. This is probably the most straightforward method. Grabpay offers a physical card that you can use at ATMs or stores that accept MasterCard. Just swipe your card, enter your PIN, and withdraw the cash you need. Keep in mind that there might be fees associated with ATM withdrawals, so check with your bank and Grabpay for the latest charges. Transfer to bank account. If you prefer to have the money in your bank account, Grabpay allows you to transfer funds directly. Simply go to your Grabpay app, select Transfer, and choose your bank. Follow the instructions to complete the transfer. The transfer time can vary depending on your bank, but it usually takes a few business days. Grabpay Credits. While not technically a withdrawal, you can use your Grabpay credits to pay for goods and services. This is a great option if you don't need cash immediately but want to use up your balance. Additional tips. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when using Grabpay for withdrawals. Check your balance. Before attempting a withdrawal, make sure you have sufficient funds in your Grabpay account. Be aware of fees. As mentioned earlier, there might be fees associated with ATM withdrawals or bank transfers. Security first. Always protect your Grabpay account by using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication. So, can you withdraw money from Grabpay? Yes, you can, but it depends on your preferred method. Whether you opt for the Grabpay card, bank transfers, or using your credits, there's a way to access your funds when you need them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.